Hello, you're watching weekly review of the US stock market on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. US indexes ended high on Friday as investor sentiment improved following higher than expected jobs data. The UK and European Union reached an agreement on post-Brexit trade terms on Friday. It also supported the rise in shares of US companies. All the key indexes closed in the green. Nasdaq closed at 6,840.08, up by 0.40%. The finish left the Nasdaq about 1 percentage point from its record lows. The Nasdaq slipped by 0.1% for the week, its second straight weekly decline. Dow Jones ended at 24,329.16, up by 0.5%. The gains lifted the Dow into positive territory for the week with a 0.4% increase. S&P 500 settled at 2,651.5, up by 0.55%. The strong finish pushed the Standard & Poor's 500 to its third straight weekly gain of 0.35%, despite some weakness earlier in the week. The gains were widespread, and telecom and healthcare stocks helped lead the way. In November, the United States economy added 228,000 jobs, while the unemployment rate remained at a 17-year low of 4.1%. It's the latest evidence that the United States economy continues to improve in sync with the rest of the world. Page perks, though, have not been getting much bigger, and hourly wages rose in November less than economists had expected. Higher pay would help workers spend more, but it could also lead to high inflation. Another potential source of worry for investors dissipated after Congress passed a spending bill that will prevent the government shutdown this weekend. The deal keeps the government running only until December 22nd, though when another deadline looms. Biotechnology stocks helped lead the market, and healthcare stocks in the S&P 500 rose by 1.1% for one of the biggest gains of the 11 sectors that make up the index. Alexion Pharmaceuticals jumped $7.68 or 7.2% to $114.46 for the biggest gain in the S&P 500, following a report from the New York Times that an activist hedge fund has bought shares in the company and pushed it to do more to lift its stock price. Shares of American outdoor brands Corporated tumbled by 9.5% to levels not seen since 2015, after the gun maker late Thursday reported a drop in profit and forecast continued struggles amid challenging market conditions. The company announced a fiscal second quarter profit of $3.2 million or 7 cents a share, on sales of $148.4 million, down more than a third from last year's $233.5 million. You are watching weekly review of the US stock market on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.